Please note that his website is currently receiving a very high volume of applications and only able to support the neediest cases. Please do not submit an application without reading the guidance below and ensuring the applicant is suffering significant hardship. Applications will only be accepted where they are made on an individual's behalf by a third-party social organization, egg charity, public body, social landlord, etc., with a supporting statement from that organization. The Hardship Fund provides grants of up to £2,000 per annum, but only in exceptional circumstances will individual grants exceed £500. Please ensure that you have read the Zakat distribution policy if you are applying for Zakat funds. Applications are assessed every 6 weeks, and you can expect a response within 8 weeks of your application. Number 1. Eligibility. Hardship grants are available to UK residents only. To be eligible for a small grant or donation, the following criteria must be met. We prioritize the most financially excluded people. We prioritize items that will make the most difference. Additional weight is given to those with caring responsibilities. What we fund: household items, white goods, and occasionally other items, sofas, wardrobes, etc. Basic living expenses, utilities or food. Work or education-related expenses, interview clothes, school uniforms, laptops. Rent arrears and council tax arrears, where there is a clear and obvious risk of homelessness. For rent arrears involving a social landlord, please outline what support has already been offered to your tenant. Contribution to immigration-related costs, where the current immigration status directly causes financial hardship to the applicant. What we do not fund: higher education tuition fees or maintenance during study, repayments of credit card debts, private school fees for primary or secondary education, non-essential items such as TV licenses or TVs, pet care, water bill arrears, flooring or carpets. Applicants who are already on an IVA or debt management solution. Unspecified costs. Please be explicit in what you're applying for and how much it will cost. Number 2. Other help you should seek before applying to COSARAF Foundation Hardship Fund. Applicants must be able to demonstrate that they are taking advantage of all support offered by local services, including the referring social organization. Other sources of funding must have been exhausted. How much help is available? You could receive up to a maximum of £2,000 in 1 year, but only in exceptional cases will individuals receive a grant of more than £500. It is not possible to apply more than once in a 12-month period. Number 3. How to apply. Applications can only be made by a recognized social organization, a charity, housing association, school, or social services on your behalf. The awarders will rely on the social organization's assessment of your need, so you must ensure that you give them as much information as possible and that the details you give are accurate. All the information you give will be treated confidentially. Awards are made from the COSARAF Foundation Hardship Fund every 8 to 10 weeks. The Hardship Grants Committee meets once every 6 weeks to discuss recent applications. Unfortunately, we are not an emergency relief fund. The social organization will be informed of the outcome of the application within 6 to 8 weeks of the application submission. We only liaise with the referral partner. If an award is granted, it is the responsibility of the referral partner to make disbursements to the applicant and ensure proof of expenditure is submitted to us for reimbursement. We do not pay funds directly to the applicant. If awarded, all grant funds must be spent within 2 months of the grant being awarded. All receipts must be sent within 90 days of the grant being awarded. Number 4. What if I disagree with the outcome of my application? If the application is unsuccessful, the social organization will be sent an email notification. Due to the volume of applications, the COSARAF Foundation is unable to enter into correspondence related to rejected applications. We do not offer the option to appeal. All trustee decisions are final. Number 5. Application form. Please find a link to the application form on the APPLI Nearby button. https://www.cosaraf.org/hardship-grant-application/. You should not fill in the form yourself. Only the social organization should complete the form, so please get in touch with them for more information. Social organizations should not edit the form electronically or change the layout. As an individual applicant, please do not contact us directly. We will not liaise with you. We will only communicate directly with the referral partner.